everybody says, I don't know what I would give them to do. And I mean, there's times I think that. Even now, I can think, well, yeah, I don't know. Do I need another one? And then invariably, I start to really examine myself. Like when I have that thought, I mean, I naturally do this now, right, without trying. But every day when I feel like, I'm doing something that maybe I can't get a VA to do yet, but I start to think, I wonder, could I get this into a sort of a structure? That's my first thought. Is there something I'm doing that I'm starting to create some form of process for? And maybe, for example, you might be testing out LinkedIn, right? So I was testing LinkedIn for a while and somebody said to me, why don't you get a VA to do that? And I said, yeah, you would imagine I would be getting a VA to help with a lot of this. But I actually hadn't formulated my strategy or my process yet around this LinkedIn thing. And I was testing. So getting to the name of this podcast, test, optimize, I would say test, optimize, delegate, scale, right? So I've been testing a lot of things and I'm now at a point where I'm like, oh, okay, I think I can process this up, and I can, like I said, maybe I can't get a VA to do all of this, but I can get a VA to do some of the heavy lifting and collaborate with me. So that I think people always think it's all or nothing. They're like, this has to be delegating all of this to a VA and not talking to them, or I do it myself. How about you think about, well, maybe there's parts of this process a VA could do and we could collaborate together on something.